Here we are in Miracle Beach, Seaview. I just built a dog fence. Had a bit of trouble with their dogs and they wanted to fix it right away, so I came lickety-split after Port Alberni on Monday. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, Friday here. I blocked in the corners there, then round by the garage, and then along here. Oh, it's 5-foot field fence, it's called, graduated. 4-foot high gray painted gate, and then tied off to the house. And then the interesting part. Look at this beautiful view. Right on the water, right in front of Middle Natch. And then the fence goes from the house, nicely tied in there with 2 rails. And I wanted to keep it fairly unobtrusive, but being quite a small fence, it's only 230 feet. The rails pretty continuous, but I did leave a gap when they're sitting over there. They can see. And then they got their fire pit. I dug this stump out so he can burn it. It's a very solid stump. And then along here, I'll show you the inside. Yeah. And it goes along the fir trees, hedge, cedar hedge, into the corner. And if we look through there, we can see the other 2 blocked off bits we did. Okay. And look at that view. Oh my goodness. Yeah, kind of ashamed to put a fence up, but the dogs were causing trouble. And there it is. There's my truck ready to go. Started yesterday and finished today. What a place to work, hey? Look at that view. We live in paradise. I'm so lucky. Fabulous. Bye. Been a busy week.